hall hodi no ana high a do bedroom but hodi okay. My room no say yeah ha no a high apartment me dey no side say.
Wo dey no side.
Antin fashion enko. Bedroom hodi dey okay na hall hodi no. And na high pa.
Okay.
Ana mate on kase yesu ye very good pa. Madam for being introduce you mama.
I'm not connected.
Balcony a bedroom home. Ana balcony hall.
Balcony hall. Okay, you're gonna make it to
okay, you.
Do you know the reason I'm looking on the top?
No, I don't know. Let's tell me.
This house resembles one of my houses.
Oh, really? You know what for Brahma?
Yeah.
What's the time you say?
Oh yeah, I'm having wire like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Well, if you're around, be a casawaya, dear pan.
Oh wow. It's even like your Fira is my friend. Yeah, unless I see her.
Oh, unless you see him.
Is she a woman or a
man?
A man. So she. Let's go.
Electrician.
Wow.
You know, and when I see her,
Oh, wow.
sis.
Hey, what about? Whenever I was
Okay.
Oh, bet me out.
Me pacho. Me near barman and our hand. Are they?
Oh, anyway. What she was saying,
issue ni say yes so a boy all right but a them hand to me cool like it me and fa baby I don't know but yes so what is her song so one cuz out to say yeah but I don't know I say
I don't baba na o do nsabo ade so be say ade kra
na say na I condemn that intino at least I say I'm a book.
Yes, it's okay. You stop, don't do it. Let him go.
Oh, that's
madam.
Nah, I did about baby, now who bombs us, so we condemn me.
No, I'm the one come to do the job.
Okay, you are coming to
calm down. Yes,
correctly. You say I bet you scar.
What then ya but you say my friend beyond and or recommending man so ya dey pa.
It seems she don't respect him.
Oh, it's okay.
No, I'll go.
She's just joking.
Let him go.
No.
Someone music can have one.
So be by your mind. Who say shoot me wa ha? E shoot wa ha do. But you my why? Would the bibia say woman na kire ne?
You shouldn't treat me like that.
It's okay.
I'm a professional electrician.
I know.
I'm a professional air condition maker.
It's very true.
Do you know the air condition I've repaired in this modern world?
It's okay. Just do it.
I have repaired my mother's air condition,
okay.
My father's air condition, my grandmother's air condition, and myself.
All this is not necessary. Do the thing and
it's who your air conditioning my family members on your outside.
Yes, I'm a professional air conditioner man. So you have to give me the respect.
Sure.
You get me?
You don't mind her.
It's okay. Do it.
Yeah. I don't know. Meaning, yes, so thing. And they are 16, so I don't know.
One I'm come will say air condition. I didn't know this is why. You for the men so sad. I miss what you baby. Men pass I don't know.
Mate. You and me pacho.
This one has to see where are they?
Oh, pacho now. Now, but you also sister need to wait. You didn't know me bobo.
She
a walk afra.
Oh, see my sister you got to us or to
what to you brother. We are sure so a repair lady.
A repair.
On ye. Who the man can say
to be a woman and my why. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yes, she why. Chana wa you my yama and say she will queer. We are also for it. We are going to show up a jina demo.
And many may and free staff house by.
Wow.
Then I say, I'm going man.
We have my air condition.
Yeah, why not?
No, yeah, dear
Patroni the connector. A connector about the Zixima F.
I didn't show
Zixima F. So,
Hey, what is he talking about? Zixima F into air conditioning. Okay, oh, it's okay.
I'm doing my job.
It's okay. It's
no,
okay.
you
It's okay.
You don't have to come and command me.
Calm down.
Do
It's
my job.
okay. You do it.
She just wanted to know.
I wanted to. It's okay.
So, they made here alignment. Mommy check some alignment. Alignment was here. They here are this simple. Mommy solid tape. Okay. Na me emphatically baby actually linear equation.
Electrician, dear, I think you have to come fully prepared. It was like I will be here.
No, did you tell me that alignment in this Zixima F and then I say you
You
told me it's air conditioning number, isn't it? Me by my baby who said Zixima F na a connector my YXR. Do you understand? And me here pi R squared solid tape. So go and get it for me, please.
R square
Solid tape.
Solid tape.
Okay. So hurry up. Go. Yeah. And let me do my job.
Okay.
Yeah, I need. And when you come in, bring pure water. I don't want water. Me air conditioner. I don't pure water.
Oh, me I also want you. We are good.
No, I don't church myself.
And it says me tab brands. Okay. But me papa.
One at the buy.
Hurry up.